How to add a contributor to your Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add a contributor to your Wix website. Okay, the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're on your setup page, the next thing for you to do is to locate roles and permissions in your Wix dashboard. So how do you locate it? By moving over to the left side of the screen and scroll down until you see roles and permissions. And then if you cannot see, just go to the top part of the screen, search bar, and type out roles and permissions. Yeah, so this is it. Click on it. Once you find it, once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the roles and permissions page. This is where we'll continue on how to add a contributor. So once you're on this page, you'll notice that by the top right corner of the screen there is an invite collaborators icon. Okay, just click on it that way. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to enter the collaborators email address. Yeah, just input the address here and then scroll down on this page and select the role you want the collaborator to be. Is it as a general role, website designer, CMS through editor, CMS admin? Just select the role you want the contributor to play, and then once you're done selecting, or if you cannot find the role, you can just create a role here by clicking on create role. Then if you are done selecting, at the lower part of the screen you see the send invite. Just click on it. Immediately an invite to be sent to the person's email address, and then once the person accepts the invite, he or she will become a collaborator or contributor immediately on your Wix website. So this is how you can add a contributor on Wix. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.